Everyday Monet to say hi to BB. BB, this is my tiny baby. Look at her legs. She's like, put me down. She was crying for me to pick her up, and then of course now she won't stay. All right. Hi, Tia here, aka Everyday Monet, and this is my awesome makeup finds from discount stores. So for this video, the awesome makeup finds are going to be from TJMaxx. Owl bag. I always have like some type of owl bag. I don't know. The first thing that I got from TJMaxx was, drumroll please. Anytime I see this, I always get this. This is the Batiste dry shampoo. I exclusively use this in my hair, and especially because you know, when you have naturally really curly hair, this really helps to prolong like the curls, and then you don't have to wash as much and, you know, take the natural oils out and all that. So this is $4.97 I got from TJMaxx. You can get this at Ulta. You can get this, I think you can get it at Walmart or Target or something. Anyway, if you get it at Ulta, it's $7.99. So it's not like it's like a huge discount, but like $4.79 versus, you know, $7.99. It is what it is. This is in the scent Ella Henderson. And so that's one of the things I got. Next, I found a bunch of like Real Technique sponges, and it's, you know, I've been collecting some of this stuff up for these videos, and so sometimes I like start dipping into certain things. So I got these Real Techniques. These are the Miracle Mini Eraser sponges for the eyes. I just absolutely love these sponges for the under eye area. I just think they work so well. They have the rounded edge, the flat edge, and the tip. And I feel like because I do a lot of color correcting and under eye concealing, like they get dirty a lot. So I like to have a bunch of them so that I don't have to like wash them every 2 seconds. So these are fabulous. The next thing I got is I love the lashes from the Vintage Cosmetics company, and it says they retail for $7. I don't know what they would retail for. I've only ever seen them at like Ross and TJMaxx and Marshalls. So when I saw these, I picked them up. I got Betty, and that was $3.99 for Betty. And I really like these because this makes it easy to just have like that little winged out look, and you don't have to like try as much. So I got Betty, and then I also got Nancy, and I have a Connie. So I'd like to read like what they say. So Betty says, dress those Bettys. If applying eyeliner, try to follow the contour of the eyelids. This is nature's roadmap. Good deal, Betty. When creating almond-shaped eyes, you can get away with heavier smoked look on larger round eyes, but stick to lighter hues and thinner lines for peepers on the smaller side. Again, that's Betty. And then that was $3.99, and then Nancy was on sale for $3, so I picked her up, and this is what Nancy says. Nancy says, apply your Nancy lashes to add volume and length. Okay. They are suitable for day or night wear. Try using white eyeliner along the inside of the lower lash line for brighter, wider eyes. Apply a little liner and fresh colored highlight in the inner corner of the eyes to finish off the look nicely. So that's... I picked up a couple of those because I only use false lashes. I knew I had another Real Techniques. So the other sponge I got from Real Techniques is a Miracle Sculpting Sponge. And I just love the shape of this. Like, you can get into all kinds of different areas. The inner corner here, around the nose. Like, and I just love the shape of this one. And I got this for $2.99. I think I actually got 2 packs of each of those. But as I'm looking, I already broke them open because I already dug into them. Next, I got this brand. I had to do some research on this brand because I'm like living and dying for this brand. This is from Pearl Essence. This is the Cucumber Water Hydrating Face Mist. And I got this for $6.99. And I've seen it here and there on YouTube. The light is like, there you go. I've seen it here and there on YouTube, and I just haven't, I was just like, whatever. This is like a legit glass bottle. There is 8 fluids 8 fluid ounces of product in here. I love these face mists, especially it's wintertime. I live in Pennsylvania, hence like the fuzzy big thing. And sometimes it's like I don't want to be wetting my face all the time or washing my face all the time. It feels like it's drying it out, and this face mist is just awesome. Right now I think I'm using the one in like coconut rose or something like that. So these are $6.99. It says it retails for $10. You can't always do this whole where it says compared to blah blah blah, but I'm really loving this. And I found some other things. This really isn't in this haul, but I'll just add it because we are talking about TJMaxx. The other thing that I've been trying out that I found there from Pearl Essence is this white charcoal mattifying makeup setting spray. There's 4 fluid ounces in here. Again, this nice glass bottle, and it says mist. This weightless spray to give your makeup serious staying power, prevents color fading and makeup from melting. And this was $5.99. I actually am in the middle of testing this product out. So if you follow me on Instagram, this is where you'll find like the really like every day I put something up of something I'm testing or thoughts or whatever. So that's where you would want to really, if you want quicker content about stuff. But I'm really into this whole brand, this whole Pearl Essence. Next I got this from the Creme Shop. These little eyelash curlers. I don't use eyelash curlers too much because I don't really use mascara. They're super like blinged out and sparkly. I love that. But I've been working on like my makeup collection declutter, and I feel like my mascaras and my eyelash curlers, like I just want to kind of get rid of them. A lot of them are super old. I don't know what that all means in terms of like bacteria and things like that. So I saw these, they were $3.99 and really cute. So I thought, let me declutter that and then I'll start fresh. I do sometimes use mascara if I'm using really big lashes and I'm going out and things like that, and I have some eye makeup on that has colored the lashes. I'll use it in that case. But other than that, no. But I am starting to do makeup for other people, so I thought a new eyelash curler would be good for that too. Next I picked up this. I've actually seen this at TJMaxx several times and like not grabbed it up. This is the Beauty Concepts brand Sweet Treats Blush and Bronzer Collection. It's $3.99. Like, I was just really interested in some of these blush shades. And I really want to try to, because, you know, the reality is I have a very large makeup collection, but some of the stuff is higher end, and I don't think I necessarily need them. Like, I'm not the one that's like, oh, I have to have this because it's Lorac or whatever. I really get what I like. So if I find something that's more inexpensive that I like and it works, I just use it. My favorite palette for blush and bronzer, literally, like I can never put this down, is the LA Girl blush collection in Spice. And you can see like I really use this a lot. This I think was like $5.99. It's $5.99 or less, and I absolutely love it. Next is some bath products. I love bath bombs, and I especially love the Balm Cosmetics, this particular brand. This one is in Wild Rose, and like when you fizz it out, look, those are like real roses, like real rosebuds, and like when you put it in your bath and you fizz it, like then they're in there. It's so luxurious. I love it. I got these for $2.99. You can get them at Ulta, and they're just much more expensive. So anytime I see them there, I grab them up. And then this one, I've never used this brand before. This is Fizzy Bombs by Ginger Lily Farms, but I have a thing for pumpkin, so I just grabbed it up because it was pumpkin spice. It smells great, and it's like super weighty. And this was $3.99. Next! So I have 2 more things from that Pearl Essence brand. These are some smaller sprays, and these are actually in plastic bottles, but I think this would be awesome. I love these sprays so much, and then when I saw they had them in more of travel sizes, I was like, oh my gosh, this is even better. So I can put them in the car and use them, you know, if I need them just to touch up, or, you know, I'm feeling some type of way or whatever. So this one is in aloe and green tea. Hydrating face mist, and this is 2 fluid ounces, and I paid $2.99. And then I also got chamomile and white tea. Again, 2 fluid ounces, and I paid $2.99. And the last things that I got were from e.l.f. e.l.f. was never a brand that I was like really interested in. And then I was doing, you know, some of these YouTube videos and doing some of these makeup finds. I'll share this one because I always have like an out bag. Let me try and branch out. It's not really that expensive. I got this, which is Kiss It Goodbye Lip Color Remover in Clear. And I feel like this is a great product to have. I paid $1.99. e.l.f. is reasonable anyway, but if I can get it a little cheaper, I can get it a little cheaper. I was really interested in this because I want to start doing like lip swatch type things, and I think this would just be nice because sometimes it just doesn't come off and then I'm scrubbing my lips and all this kind of stuff. So I'm going to use it for that. I also got for $1.99 this lip and cheek duo stick in pink shimmer. So you have like a shimmer side and a matte side. I'm telling you right now, this is not going on my cheeks. I don't do cream products on my cheeks. I think writing on them would be weird. I'm not doing that. But I do feel like in terms of lip or lip liner, this might be cool. So we'll see. And last but not least, I got this contouring blush and bronzing powder in St. Lucia. And I paid $1.99 for this. These colors just like, these are like my colors. In terms of like cheek colors, I think this is just a great shade. It's not really going to show up on camera, I don't think. It's more nude than peachy. Like if you look and see in the box, like it definitely looks more peachy in the box, and that's what I thought. So I'm just opening it up. Let's just watch it and see, because I kind of like more of a peach situation. Yeah, it's gonna be too light. Let me see what's going on with the bronzer. All right, so I can tell you right now it's too light for me. You can't even see it on my skin. There's the blush right there. Let me see if I can build it up. I mean, they're super soft. Yeah, I can't even really build that up. So this is something that I will have to pass on. I can pass this on to my mom because she's super light-skinned and she really loves these colors, and I would like to get her to branch out into bronzer, so this might be a great way to do that. So I'm going to pull this out and then give that to her. But okay, so that's what I have for you from, or my awesome makeup finds from discount stores, and this is the TJMaxx edition. If you have a TJMaxx in your area, let me know what kind of things you find there. Let me know, you know, what kind of gems and things. Follow me on Instagram. I really like to share those things, and I really like to see, you know, what finds you get. Like, it's really exciting, for me at least. So if you want to become one of my Monets, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like these types of videos, please give me a thumbs up so that I know what type of content people like. And I hope that you're happy and safe wherever you are, whenever you're watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!